Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, I'm so happy to meet you this time. How about you? Okay, before we go study this time, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Okay students, we will study about announcement text today. In this text, we have basic competence atau dalam bahasa Indonesia, kompetensi dasar. Membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks khusus dalam bentuk pemberitahuan, announcement, dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait kegiatan sekolah sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. And then the learning objectives are, having finished learning this unit, the students are able to respond to the social function, the generic structure, and the linguistic features of an announcement text. Get information from an announcement text, and then make an announcement text. Students, what do you think about this place? Okay, you're right. This is at the airport. What do you think about this place? Is this very crowded? Busy? Or is very comfortable according to you? Great, it's very busy and crowded. There are so many people at the airport. And then, have you ever had this announcement?
Good afternoon, passengers. This is the pre-boarding announcement for Flight 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Regular boarding will begin in approximately 10 minutes time. Thank you.
Students, have you ever had this announcement? This is about the flight attendants that have announcement to the flight to the passengers that has a flight 89B to Rome. According to you, what should those passengers with small children to do? Okay, let's try to answer. That's right. They should have a boarding pass now at this time. Okay, how about this one? Have you ever read this? Okay, try to read this announcement. To all grade students of 7th Semarang Senior High School about competition class clean lines will be held on Friday, 23 March 2020. To prepare it, please head each class to attend the meeting with the organizer of the contest of Wednesday, 21st March 2020. Please refer to all classes participating in this race. For the info, can contact the committee. Thank you. According to you, what should each class to do to join the class clean lines competition? Okay, it's great. They should to attend the meeting with the organizer of the contest on Wednesday. Okay, how about this one? Have you ever read this? Where can you find this announcement? Okay, let's try to understand about this announcement. Okay, let's discuss about what is announcement text. An announcement text is a statement made to the public or to the media which gives information about something that has happened or that will happen. The social function of announcement text is to give people information about something that has happened or that will happen. And then, like another text, the announcement text has generic structure. There are headline, that stating purpose, the text that contains what event will be held, and then detailed information, setting day, date, and time. Day and date realization, the text that contains when the event will be held. and then stating place. The text that contains where the event will be held. And then the last is closing. This about informing sender. The text that contains name of the person who will be contacted. And then we can know about the language features of the announcement text. There are mostly used imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are used to issue a command or instructions, make requests, offer and advice. For example, sweep and mop the floor. Contact us. What do you think about that? It's very clear about that. Okay. In this imperative sentence, we need not subject. Why? Because it is very clear that the subject is you. So we need not subject to this imperative sentence. Would you like to try to create one sentence in imperative sentence? Great, you are right. And then sometimes use passive voice. Do you know about passive voice? Passive voice have a form subject, to be, and verb 3. Okay, for example, class print lines competition will be held on Friday. Okay, let's identify about this sentence. Class print lines competition as a subject, and then we use will as a model, and we add be, and then verb 3 have. Because the sentence using model auxiliaries, will, would, can, could, may, or might, we should add be. And then we add verb 3, just verb 3. Is that clear, students? Okay, let's try to create or to make one sentence in passive voice. Would you like to try? Very good. And then usually mention date, time, and place. For example, students 10th grade school return the book at the library on Wednesday. In this one, we may use preposition. For example, at the library on Wednesday, at and on. At, we can use at to mention about the place, and then on to mention about time or day. Okay, and then using simple present tense and simple future tense. Do you still recognize about that? Simple present tense. For example, the students clean their classroom regularly. We use simple present tense to express about factual information or recent information. Let me see about this sentence. The students clean their classroom regularly. The subject is the students, and the verb 1 is clean. Do you still remember about the form of simple present tense? Subject plus verb 1, add with s or es for special subject like he, she, and it. Because in this sentence, the students, we use the plural subject. So in this sentence, we need not to add s or es. So the sentence become the students clean their classroom regularly. Is it very clear, students? Very good. And then we use simple future tense. Why we use simple future tense? Because the event will not happen yet. For example, the school's clean lines competition will be held on Friday. So this time maybe this competition will not be held yet. Do you understand about the form of simple future tense? Great. This subject plus will plus verb 1. The school's clean lines competition as subject and then add by will. And then we have on Friday. In this sentence, it can identify as a passive voice too, because we use modal will and then plus be and then verb 3. Got it, students? Great. This is an example about announcement text. Is a written announcement text. Let's see. Announcement. Pay attention. Our school will have a virtual debate competition. Participants, all students in our school. It will be held from 24 up to 25 October 2020. Please join us. For more information, contact Benny on 08122697066. Okay, let me see about this announcement. Do you find about imperative sentence? Very good. This is please join us. Contact Benny. This is an example about imperative sentence. And then, can you find about future sentence? Very good. Our school will have a virtual debate competition. The competition is not held yet. This competition may be or will be held from 24 up to 25 October 2020. How about that? It's very clear, students? Great. And then this another example about imperative sentence. Let me see. For students for 10th grade, before you leave the classroom, clean the whiteboard, sweep and mop the floor, put the rubbish in the dustbin, turn off the air conditioner, close and lock the door. Thank you, classroom advisor. In this command, we know well that they are using imperative sentence. Clean, sweep, put, turn off, and close, lock. There are need not subject. But why, students? We need not subject in this sentence? Because it's very clear that the subject is you, all of the students of 10th grade. It is very clear, students? Okay. This is another example of written announcement text. So, you know that announcement text can be as a spoken announcement or written announcement. After we read, we know about the examples of announcement text. Now we have a best understanding about what and how an announcement text is written. How about that, students? Okay, would you like to try to create one announcement text at home? Okay, submit this one into a Google Classroom. I will check it later. Okay, students, because of the time, we should apart now. But remember, after we study about an announcement text, we should understand about the social function, about the general structure, and then we know about simple present tense, about future tense, about passive voice, and what else? This about preposition. Okay? Study at home well. So you become understand very well about an announcement text. And don't forget to try to create another one. Students, thanks so much for your attention. See you on the next meeting. And don't forget to keep your healthy and your happiness. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.